These are a few of my favorite
products. Welcome to Woodworker Express's Product of the Day, where we show you a favorite product of ours and what makes it so dang good. With a simple and intuitive design, the Kreg Magnetic Stud Finder with laser mark is a pocket-friendly way to hit the mark every time. Now this thing features strong, rare earth magnets with laser mark line, Hi-viz bubble level, and who could forget these precision marking notches? Make it easy to anchor to cabinets, shelves, and more without the need to mark on the wall. And the best part is you do not need batteries. Sure, you need batteries for the laser level part, but these magnets don't need power. And even cooler, this thing holds hands-free on the wall, as you see here, leaving that beautiful red line. Wow. Batteries for this laser already included. Kreg's thought of everything. And some top-notch packing. Look at that. It's that hard plastic material. You need scissors or a knife to cut it. People cut themselves with this packaging each year around Christmas. It's like an anti-theft thing, because if it just popped open real easy, people would just steal it at the store. But either way, really awesome product once you get it out of the box.